Hi there, I'm here by Elk Park, which is a little south of Norris Geyser Basin. It's May the 20th. The peaks are still snow-capped. Early morning at Norris Geyser Basin feels like stepping into another world. The light is low, the air is cool, and the steam rises in slow drifting layers that blur the lines between earth and sky. This is the hottest and most changeable thermal area in all of Yellowstone, a place where the ground is constantly shifting, where new features appear and old ones fade, and where the landscape never stays the same for long. Norris sits at the intersection of major fault lines, which is why the water here reaches some of the highest temperatures found anywhere in the park. The pools can glow turquoise, green, or milky white, depending on the minerals and heat below the surface. It's beautiful, but it's also unpredictable, a reminder that Yellowstone is alive beneath our feet. As we wander through the basin this morning, take in the colors, the sounds, the quiet energy of the place that's always in motion. This is Norris Geyser Basin at first light. Hi, I'm just having a lazy day checking out all these little places that I've not been to before, and this is a little different. Welcome to the Museum of the National Park Ranger here in Yellowstone. It's a small place, but it's packed with stories about the people who protected these wildlands for generations. As we walk through, you'll see displays that trace the history of the ranger profession, from the early days of horseback patrols to the modern work of wildlife management, search and rescue, and preserving the park's natural and cultural resources. If you're visiting from another country, or if you're just not familiar with how the National Park Service works, this museum is a great introduction. It gives you a sense of the many roles rangers play and the challenges they face in a place as vast and unpredictable as Yellowstone. Thanks for joining me for part 9 of a season in Yellowstone. Today we explored the raw, restless energy of Norris Geyser Basin and stepped inside the Museum of the National Park Ranger to appreciate the people who protect this place. If you enjoyed wandering with me, feel free to leave a comment, hit the like, or subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. There's still so much more to uncover in Yellowstone's wild heart. Until next time, travel safe and stay curious.